Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add missing expense and deposit transactions in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your records complete ensures your financial data is accurate and up to date. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account securely. Make sure you're using authorized access as financial information is sensitive. If multiple QuickBooks platforms appear, select QuickBooks Online to ensure you're working in the correct interface with the right features. Once inside, let's start with entering a missing expense. Begin by accurately inputting the payee, which helps track your cash flow and fund allocation. Next, select the payment account from which the funds were drawn. This links your QuickBooks records to your bank statements and makes reconciliation easier. Then, confirm the payment date carefully to reflect the actual transaction date, ensuring proper financial reporting and compliance. After that, choose the correct expense category, like office supplies or utilities, to analyze spending patterns and spot opportunities to save costs. Enter the exact transaction amount to avoid discrepancies that could complicate month-end reconciliations. Finally, review all details and click Save and Close to officially record the expense, completing your update to the financial records. By following these steps, your financial reporting becomes complete, accurate, and ready for deeper insights. Keeping your accounts up to date is key to managing your business finances effectively.